Hey guys, how are you? Do you guys remember a few weeks ago I did the Himalayan salt cone and it was an utter failure and it came broken. I fixed it and then I put my chicken on it. It broke, fell over again. It broke. It just was a mess. Well, I love cooking with Himalayan pink salt. I've put it on dishes, I've cooked in it, and all that stuff. Well, today we got a block here, a huge, they call it a Himalayan salt tray, but it's just basically a block of Himalayan salt. Come on in close, let me show you about this. I think this is gonna work. We're gonna put our whole meal on it. You could put a steak and some vegetables, and it cooks on this, and you gotta be careful. You gotta warm it up just like the cone we did. But this is pretty easy. We're gonna put a spatchcock chicken on this today. That's right, so come on in close, let's take a look. Here it is all wrapped in plastic. I'm gonna take the plastic off. It's a big chunk of salt. It's not gonna make your food salty. It's gonna just give a hint of this pink Himalayan salt. And everybody's telling me, well, this doesn't really grow in the Himalayas. I'm like, I don't care where it is. If it tastes good, we're gonna cook with it. So I'm gonna take this outside and get it on the grill. But first, let's get our chicken ready. We gotta spatchcock our chicken so it will lay flat on this. And it'll be able to cook. We'll be able to flip it, and it will cook, and it will be beautiful. It will taste awesome. Let's get it on. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is cut the backbone straight here. That's all you're gonna do is cut down one side, and then take your scissors, your kitchen shears, and cut down the other side. So you're gonna see this bone right here, kind of like a tailbone. You need a good pair of scissors. Let me get my hand hold that and just cut in. See how we're cutting right down the middle, right down the side of the backbone. The other cut will be on this side. And there you go. It's all cut out. Oops. That's what it looks like. See, that's the backbone right there. You just pulled it right out of the middle of the chicken. Now you can turn this over. You're gonna break the breastbone straight down. Whew, there you go. Now you can season it up just like that. That's how it should lay. The legs outward like that. So everything cooks evenly and beautiful. I only need two things on here. You can put more if you want, but put it kind of heavy. Because everything needs garlic. I don't think there's a dish alive that doesn't need garlic. And we're going to take my household ground pepper. And we're going to put that on top. Alright, here's the setup. You got your block of salt. I've only got one burner on. Gonna get it up to about 250, then 350, then 400. And then I'm gonna bring the chicken out. Okay, so watch your temperature gauge, lower your flame if it goes too fast, too hot, because you don't want your salt block to crack. Okay, the salt rock's around 375 right now, so time to bring out our chicken and let's keep it at that level. Well, there you go. We're gonna cook it on that side for a while. We'll flip it once we get an outer crust. Try and get some salt on the other side and see how this does. All right, look how beautiful that's doing. Getting that outer crust and cooking on top of that salt block. See? Everything's going perfect. I figured about in 10 minutes. Okay, here it is. Now it's time for the most important lesson on cooking meat. Let it rest. People always say it's a myth. It's not a myth. Let your meat rest so that all this heat I'm feeling will turn the steam inside will go back to juices. And that will juicen up your meat. Just give it about 10 to 15 minutes max. Let's see. Look at that. It just breaks right off. I don't even need a knife. Well, I do. At this last part here. This is really last part. Let's see if we can taste any Himalayan salt on here. That's the goal. I can cook chicken 12 other ways, but let's see if it works. You can taste it in this. It's still hot. Let's try the meat inside. Hold on. So on the skin, you could taste the salt, the pink salt. Okay, on the skin of the chicken, you could taste the Himalayan pink salt. On the meat, you can taste it too, but it takes a few chews. So just a few bites into the meat, and you can taste the flavor. It tastes really good. This is my lunch. This is awesome. I'd share it with you, but you're not here right now. Sorry. Anyway, try this out. That block was only like 20 bucks, I think. I'll have a link down below. If you want to experiment with some burger patties, some shrimp, whole bunch of stuff you can cook on that block. Now, remember, there's a lot of chicken juice on that, and it was cooked. So any bacteria or salmonella, you don't have to worry, but I would scrub the surface with soap and water, rinse it really good, and drastic heat changes will make the block crack. So you warm it quickly, you let it cool on its own. All right? So that's how we're going to treat our block so we keep it as long as possible. We can cook other things on it. Pretty cool, huh? I love you guys. If you want one, link down below, and I'll see you in the next episode. Take care.